Hi everybody, welcome back to the Stone and Star Art Studio. This week we are starting a new series and it is going to be based around modern wreaths. So today we're going to do a quick palette to kind of put together our color scheme for the next 3 weeks. So the 3 colors I chose to work with for this series is a nice soft green, a medium teal, and then this really rich, almost Prussian blue color. So the first color we're going to work with is our soft green, so it's really just kind of a watered down emerald with maybe a tiny hint of blue in it. Next comes my teal color, which is just a mixture of my emerald green and a beautiful deep blue that I'm going to use next. Last but not least is that beautiful deep teal color, which is honestly my favorite of all my colors. Next, I'm just going to draw some quick little doodles. This is totally not necessary. I just thought it would be cute. So I'm going to do some quick little floral leaves and things down here. Okay, this is my favorite part. It's time to do the gradient. So I'm just going to start with plenty of water and my soft green color and get darker and darker as we go. So this really gives you a chance to see what it's going to look like on top of ink and how it will mix with the other colors, so you can find those sweet spots that are your favorite. There you have it. This has been a quick palette, so I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you stay tuned and make some beautiful modern wreaths with me for the next 3 weeks. Let me know if you make something, and you can tag me on Instagram at Art by Isla. Thanks for watching.